guys, welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, I got my icon box. This is the first icon box for 2024. My box had a little rough ride getting here. As we can see, she looks kind of beat up and scuffed up a bit. But without any further delay, we're going to get right into our box. If you are not familiar with the icon box, the icon box is a quarterly box offered by IPSY. This box it costs $60. It comes with 8 products in it. You do get to choose 3 of the products that's in your box, and IPSY will choose the others for you based on your profile. So we're going to get right into this box here and see what's in here. And guys, this month our box was curated by Gwen Stefani. So Gwen Stefani gave some products that she loves, as well as some products from her own brand are also in this box. So in our little newspaper here, we get some info about the products in here. They did put the cost back in here. We get a little information about some of the products, and on the back we get a little information about Gwen and what she likes. So this is our February 2024 first box for IPSY icon box. So let's get right into this thing and see what comes in my box here. Alright, so the first product that I'm pulling out, guys, this is a Danessa Myrick product. I'm just starting to get into her brand and really start trying out things. But I've known about Danessa for a long time. She's a makeup artist, and this is her own beauty line. So we have the Yummy Skin Glow Serum. This is a full-size product. They said it comes in the shade Juice Boost. So this product here, guys, is also supposed to help increase hydration. It says on here by 108%. And you can wear this alone without any makeup, or you can wear this underneath your makeup. So it's sort of like a hydrating primer. So it does double duty, skincare and makeup. So this is the product here outside of its tube. And let's give it a try. Since it has a color, I wanted to kind of see what it is. So I'm just going to do a little dot here. And this is what the product looks like on the back of my hand. And we're going to rub it in. And yeah, it looks, oh, it's very hydrating. I like that. It looks really good. Don't you think? Very hydrating. I can't wait to use this underneath my makeup. This will probably be really good under the makeup. Let's see what the price is for this one here. Danessa Myrick. This product, guys, is valued at $34 for this Yummy Skin Glow Serum. So that's the first item here. So let's go on to the next one in our box and check out what else we have. So the next item I have a Gold Fatten MD product. You know they're kind of pricey. So this is their Supreme Serum, guys, that we have here. And this product is supposed to be a powerful anti-aging serum. So guys, this product has restorative properties. It's supposed to hydrate the skin, improve the appearance of dullness of skin. So that's all stuff that comes kind of with age. So guys, this product, you guys are not going to believe how much this costs. Yo, for real. Dude, this costs $235 for a 1 fluid ounce of serum. This stuff better be really, really good for that amount. That is crazy. 1 ounce. $235. Ooh, that's a bit much. That's a bit much. Wow. Okay, so that's the second item out of our box. The pricey Mr. Gold Fatten MD product. So there you have it. So guys, the next thing I'm pulling out, I have a Cara Moon product. This is their Gentle Hydrating Facial Cleanser. And this is valued at $28. So we're starting to just see a lot more of this product in this brand in our box. But I'm just starting to get familiar with this brand. I haven't tried out many products from this line at all. But it says, get ready to get silky. Silky rinse gently and effectively removes pore buildup, excessive oil, and makeup without drying or disrupting the skin barrier. So it's formulated with super hydrating and nourishing ingredients to support healthy skin balances. So this is the product. This is such a weird packaging for this product, I think. Like, I was expecting, I don't know, it to look like a cleanser bottle. It looks like an applicator bottle for like your hair products. So very interesting packaging here. I can't wait to give this a whirl and see how this cleanser works out. But again, this product is valued at $28 for this Caramoon Silky Rinse Hydrating Facial Cleanser. So that is that product. So let's go on to the next thing we have here. So the next item I'm pulling out, look like we have a Charlotte Tilbury product. And this is the Beautiful Skin Foundation. So I have the color 12 Neutral is what was selected for me, because I know I didn't pick this. I wouldn't remember if I picked the Charlotte Tilbury product, because I'd have been ecstatic. So guys, this product is supposed to increase radiance up to 285%. And it says on here, it has undetectable coverage. It improves the look of skin with each wear. It boosts hydration up to 166%. That's impressive. So this is definitely a product for more mature skin like myself or older. And it says this product also, the skin looks plumper and smoother up to 181%, and the skin tone looks more even up to 210%. And it also minimizes the appearances of pores, reduces the appearance of pigmentation and dark spots, and instantly brightens. So that's pretty cool. Let's see what this product was valued at. So this is how the foundation looks outside of the packaging, guys. Let me see what this costs. So guys, the Charlotte Tilbury foundation is valued at $49. I think I need a darker color, but let's just take a quick pump and see how it looks on the back of my hand. And we'll just blend out this little bit here. See how it looks like it's like a little bit too light? I don't know how it dries down. Maybe it might dry down a little bit better, where it kind of mattifies a bit and it looks a little bit darker. But this is how it's blending out. And I could probably still use it. I could probably use it and kind of play around with it with like a contour or something to kind of get the ideal look where it still can be used. But this is how it's blending out on the back of my hand. It looks a little off, not much, but a little off. Like, it's not perfect. I would like to probably have a little bit darker shade personally for me. But this is how it looks on the back of my hand. I don't think that looks too bad. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments what you thought about this foundation. But yeah, this is what they selected for me, I guess, based on my profile. Because I didn't get to choose this one, because I probably would have picked something darker. So that is the Charlotte Tilbury foundation we have for $49. So let's go on to the next one. Again, I got the 12 Neutral is what they sent me, guys. So let's check out the next thing we have. So the next thing I'm pulling out here, we have a GXVE product. And this is Gwen Stefani's own brand. I didn't know she had a brand, but everyone has a brand now, so I'm not surprised. So this is the Line It Up Clean 24-Hour Gel Waterproof Eyeliner Pencil. So I have the color here, so it's not black. Bath water. So guys, look at how blue this is. Oh my god. Now, I typically don't play around with too much color eyeliners. Like, they could be fun, but wow, look how blue that is. So let's go ahead and kind of take a swatch of it and see how it looks on the back of my hand. Oh wow, that is really blue. Very blue. Oh my god, you could probably use it like an eyeshadow. Oh my goodness, that is bright. Wow. Wow. Yeah, I have to play with this. Maybe I could use it like on my lower lid line and try it out that way, maybe with a look. I mean, it would be very intense though. It's definitely intense. So that is the eyeliner by, and it's called GXVE Beauty Line It Up Clean 24-Hour Gel Waterproof Eyeliner. I like the blue, but wow, that's pretty. That's a pop. For real, for real. So guys, let me get to the next product that we have in here. So the next product I have, this is Undefined Beauty. I'm not familiar with them. This is R&R Scalp Serum. So this revitalizes, nourishes, and strengthens. And it says here, healthy, shiny, thick hair starts with a healthy, balanced scalp. And this is an innovative water-based serum that hydrates, stimulates, strengthens, and nourishes your scalp. So you apply this directly to the scalp here. So no parabens or sulfates or anything. It's made with what it says, clean, conscious, inclusive plant magic. Okay. So never used this brand before, so this will be my first time trying it out. So it's a serum. Let me see what this costs, guys. This is valued at this is a $22 product for the hair serum. So this would be a great one to try out because I got braids now. So you can kind of see here. I'm gonna just drop some in my head because it's not hurting anything. And rubbing it in. So we're trying it out now. It feels really light though. It's not sticky or anything. It's not oily. It does just feel like a serum. So alright. Seemed like something I would pick. I'm sure I picked this. So that is the Undefined Beauty R&R Scalp Serum. So I'll see how that works. I like stuff that keeps my scalp hydrated, especially during this time of year. So we have another product in here, guys, and we have Maison Louise Marie. This is a perfume that we received. So I love how it came in the packaging. So this is how it comes out. I think this is really cute. This is a perfume oil that we have. This is valued at $65, guys, and this is number 13, Novella Vague. So let me give this a little try here and see how it smells. And that's how it kind of goes on. It is a perfume oil. It doesn't smell bad. Very unique scent though. I can't quite place what I'm smelling, but not bad, not bad. I love perfumes, as you guys know. I'm a fragrance girl. I love a good perfume. And sometimes these oils are a little bit better because the oil lasts a bit longer on your skin. So not bad, not bad. So I have to wear this a bit for me to see if I really like it. But off the top, it has kind of like it's not a loud scent at all. But I'm smelling something that's coming out more of a fragrance to me than something else. So I don't know. Let me see it. Does it have the notes on here? Let's see. It has the ingredients, but it don't really says all the notes. So we'll see. I'll give it a whirl. I love perfume, so that works perfect for me. And again, guys, that was $65 for the perfume oil. And we're down to the last thing in my box. So the last thing I got was the Trophy Skin device. I love little devices like this. So this is like one of these facial devices that, if you're not familiar, I'm a skincare junkie. I'll just give you the rundown. So look, this is the device here. You could charge it. And basically, these devices are very good with helping you to get the most out of your skincare products. So if you're using it like with a serum, that's probably the best way to use it. So this has heat therapy, this has microcurrent, sonic vibration, and it's a smart touch sensor to turn it on and off. Since I don't have it charged, I probably can't show you guys about how to use this because it ain't charged. So I'm not exactly, it's not charged at all. So Sometimes they come pre-charged when you get them, but yeah. So basically the rundown on this is use this with your skincare products. So I would recommend if you have a serum, these products kind of help get the product deeper into your skin, that you get more use and effectiveness out of the skincare products that you're already using. So you would just go across your skin with this, and it would kind of help it get deeper into your skin, and you would get more of a benefit. That is the quickest way to tell you what this does in a nutshell. But I like all these little devices and stuff like that, so this is right up my alley. So guys, this here was valued, the Trophy Skin was valued at $99. So this is a $99 facial tool product here. And I think that's great, like especially as you get older, you want to kind of make sure everything is going in your skin and it's not just sitting on top of there, so you can get the benefit. So these are like great little devices to kind of use to help get the benefit out of that. So guys, in review, this was my crazy box here. It's a mixed bag for sure. There's a little bit of everything in my box here. So we have the facial tool for the microcurrent. We have some foundation. We have a blue eyeliner. Oh my goodness. We got gold fattened MD's extremely pricey $235 facial serum. Only 1 ounce, by the way. We have Danessa Myrick Yummy Skin Glow Serum, which also is a face primer. We have Cara Moon facial cleanser, and we have the Undefined Beauty R&R scalp serum. So, and we also have the Maison Louis Marie perfume number 13. So I had a very interesting bag this month, well, box this month. This was kind of uniquely made though. It was a good mix for me of a little bit of everything, and I kind of like that because I like to try different things. But yeah, I like the fact it was a really unique mix for my box. I know my box has to be ridiculously priced because I have a $235 facial serum, so my box must be with like $400-500 worth of all this stuff in here. My box value anyway. But guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and you enjoyed watching some of these products that I got in this icon box. If you got the icon box and you got some of the same, let me know. But if you got something different, I would love to hear what you got in your icon box. But guys, without any further delay, I will catch you on the next one. If you have not subscribed to this channel, I have no idea what you're waiting for. It's free. I post videos every week. If you're newsy like I am, you want to see what other people get in their boxes, this is the channel for you. I love sharing with you guys what I'm picking up, as well as what's coming in my boxes. If you're interested in that kind of thing, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell. It'll let you know when I next post. But until my next video, guys, happy Valentine's Day. I hope you had a great Super Bowl party that you went to. I hope you celebrated Mardi Gras. And again, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye.